Hey guys, I'm Ramsey Duncan and this is Not My Kitchen. As you can see, we are back in the mid-century modern house in Westlake. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. It's going to be a healthier version. A lettuce wrap with pan-seared ground pork, a little bit of Asian influence in there as well. Can't wait to show you guys. Again, just to reiterate, this house, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, just over 3,200 square feet. This house is currently on the market, so I'm gonna have all that information down in the description below. If you want more info on this house, reach out to me and we'll get you taken care of. Let's go in and take a look. Hey y'all, again, this is Not My Kitchen, but welcome back to this mid-century beauty. So today we are making a ground pork and lettuce wraps with an Asian influence. So for this, you're going to need romaine lettuce, a pound of ground pork, 3 cloves of garlic, green onions. I have serrano chili peppers, ginger, and carrots. So also we have salt, pep, sesame seeds, hoisin. I have sriracha here. You can use any kind of chili paste or hot sauce you'd like. Gochujang also works really, really well. Soy sauce and toasted sesame oil to cook in. So as you guys know, this is not my kitchen. This house is currently on the market, so to be mindful of prospective buyers walking through, I don't want to smell up the house or dirty up the house. We're going to cook everything outside. So let's go ahead and take this outside and get cooking. All right guys, so here we are on our makeshift outside setup. So again, we've got the pound of ground pork, a little bit of sesame oil in there. There's a lot of fat in pork, so I don't need a ton of oil. This is just going to help it not stick a little bit. A little bit of pepper. I'm not adding salt just yet. Adding some soy sauce in is going to add a lot of salt flavor to it, so I don't really want to add more if I don't need to. I like to have it as crispy as possible. It makes for a better texture when you're eating with a lettuce wrap. So we're just going to let this kind of sit for a minute. And if you don't like pork, you don't have to. You can use turkey, you can use beef, whatever you want. This dish will work just as well with all this. All right, so now that we're getting a little bit of the Maillard reaction happening, these little brown bits that are on the pork, I'm gonna throw in some of the aromatics. So the white of the green onion, the garlic, and the ginger. Cook that around probably less than a minute. We want those onions to be nice and soft, and we want the fragrance of the ginger and the garlic. Garlic and ginger, garlic specifically, burns really easily, so this won't take a very long time. All right, so now that we've got that going, I'm gonna add in a quarter cup here of half and half hoisin and soy sauce. So I just filled up halfway of hoisin and halfway of soy sauce. The hoisin's gonna add a little bit of the sweetness, while the soy is gonna add the saltiness. Another thing it's going to also do is deglaze the pan a little bit so you can get some of those brown bits back into the dish. I also want to add in just a tad bit of sriracha. All right, so now that we've got our pork cooked, it's time to plate. So again, I've got a head of romaine here. I'm going to try and find one that is going to be good little plate for our pork. Okay. Just a spoonful of pork. However much you want, you know, and the rest is just garnish. So if you like a little bit of carrot, throw some carrot in there. A couple serranos in there as well. We're gonna add some sesame seeds to the top. And a little bit of this green onion. And a little more sriracha. That's it. Take a look at that. Wrap it up. And eat it. So, first flavor I get immediately is the ginger. You get the heat from the serrano, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I make this like once a week. This is a go-to healthy option for my wife and I. All right, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of these. See you guys next time.